Now let me tell you about the operation of EZCAD2 software. First, open this software. Steps to engrave serial numbers. First, we draw a text. Enable variable text. Serial numbers generally consist of two parts, fixed text and serial number. So, we're going to do two parts. Fixed text to fill in according to your needs. Input here. Confirm. Add serial number. Set initial value, current serial number, increment and other parameter settings. Number of markings per. Mode selection decimal. Confirm. Adjust position and size. Adjust the length and height of the x-axis. Unlock the ratio. Or lock the ratio. Let's now look at the effects of separate adjustments. Length 20. Height 5. Apply. After that, we have to choose processing area. First, we need to position. When selecting a range, it is best to select by box. Don't click to select. Dragging may be offset or deformation. You can use the up, down, left, and right keys of the keyboard for fine adjustments. After determining the location, click red light positioning. If it's accurate, you can start marking. This red light and marking can use F1, F2 as shortcut keys. Check the effect after marking, if you are not satisfied with the effect. Make adjustments in the parameters on the right. Speed, power, frequency. Until the working effect meets your needs. Save this file to use with defects next time. Thank you everyone for watching.